Welcome to Life Guru, your go-to source for simple and delicious dinner recipes. Today, we have an incredible lineup of mouth-watering dishes that will satisfy your taste buds and make dinner time a breeze. So, let's get cooking. 1. Creamy garlic parmesan pasta. First up, we have a creamy garlic parmesan pasta that's both comforting and luxurious. In a pot of boiling salted water, cook your favorite pasta until al dente. While it's cooking, let's whip up the sauce. In a pan, melt butter and sauté minced garlic until fragrant. Pour in heavy cream and let it simmer. Then, add grated Parmesan cheese and stir until it's smooth and velvety. Toss the cooked pasta in the sauce, and voila! You have a restaurant-worthy dish ready in no time. 2. One-pan lemon herb chicken. Next, we have a super easy one-pan lemon herb chicken that's bursting with flavor. Season chicken thighs with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. In a hot pan with olive oil, sear the chicken until it's golden brown on both sides. Then, add lemon slices, minced garlic, and a splash of chicken broth. Let it simmer until the chicken is fully cooked and the flavors meld together. This dish is a winner for any weeknight dinner. 3. Veggie stir-fry. For our veggie lovers, we have a colorful and nutritious stir-fry. Heat some sesame oil in a wok or pan, and add chopped broccoli, bell peppers, snap peas, carrots, and any other veggies you love. Stir-fry them until they're tender crisp. For the sauce, mix soy sauce, minced ginger, garlic, and a drizzle of honey. Pour the sauce over the veggies, toss it all together, and you have a vibrant and healthy dinner option. 4. Stuffed bell peppers. Let's spice things up with some stuffed bell peppers. Cut the tops off bell peppers and remove the seeds. In a bowl, mix cooked rice, ground chicken or turkey, diced tomatoes, onions, garlic, and your favorite spices. Stuff the mixture into the bell peppers, and bake them until they're tender and the filling is cooked to perfection. These stuffed bell peppers are not only delicious but also a fun way to enjoy a balanced meal. And that wraps up our collection of simple and delicious dinner recipes. Whether you're a busy parent or just looking for a quick and tasty meal, these dishes will surely hit the spot. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Life Guru for more culinary inspiration. Thanks for joining us, and happy cooking!